How did the Cherokee Indians teach their tribe to be successful, and how can you apply it to your business? Hey, Dan Henry here, and today I'd like to talk about how the Cherokee Indians taught their tribe to be successful and how you can really apply it to your business. And in order to do that, I'm going to read you right now an old Cherokee parable, if you will. So an old Cherokee chief was teaching his grandson about life. "A fight is going on inside me," he said to the boy. "It's a terrible fight, and it's between two wolves. One is evil. He is anger, envy, sorrow, regret, greed, arrogance, self-pity, guilt, resentment, inferiority, lies, false pride, superiority, self-doubt, and ego. The other is good. He is joy, peace, love, hope, serenity, humility, kindness, benevolence, empathy, generosity, truth, compassion, and faith. The same fight is going on inside you and inside every other person too." The grandson thought about this for a minute and then asked his grandfather, "Which wolf will win?" The old chief simply replied, "The one you feed." You see, many times in life we deny ourselves the things that we deserve because we feed the wrong wolf. We feed into negativity. We tell ourselves all the reasons we can't do it, all the problems and all the things that could stop us from achieving our goal. And then we tell ourselves because of those roadblocks, because of those things, we might as well not do it at all. But there are other people that will feed the right wolf. They'll look for the reasons why they can do it. They'll look for reasons why this thing, that thing is not a problem, and they'll get started. And when they do run into a roadblock, they'll deal with it. They'll figure it out and they'll blast through it like a freight train. And those are the people that become successful. 7 years ago, I was feeding the wrong wolf. I told myself all the reasons I couldn't do it, all the reasons I couldn't start a profitable business, all the reasons why I would fail. And so I just kept delivering that pizza day in and day out, getting $2, $3, $4, maybe $5 as a tip, collecting my minimum wage paycheck, and waking up the next day and doing it all over again. And then one day, I decided enough was enough. And I decided to feed the right wolf. I decided to look at all the reasons why this isn't a problem, that isn't a problem, why I could do it. And one day my back was against the wall. Literally, our lights were about to get shut off, and I decided it's time to feed the right wolf. 30 days later, I had $10,000 in my bank from client billings, and today I've built a multi-million-dollar company completely online. And it's because I stopped feeding into negativity. I stopped looking for reasons why I couldn't and started finding reasons why I could. And you can do the same thing. There's absolutely no reason you can't be successful. But you just have to ask yourself, which wolf are you feeding? So let me know in the comments. Have you been looking for reasons to do something or reasons not to? Which wolf are you feeding? And are you going to make a stand today and decide it's your time and it's time to make a change? Let me know in the comments. See you guys in the next video. Dan Henry out. So listen, you've made it to the end of the YouTube video. At this point, there's really only one thing to do, only one course of action to take. And that's to subscribe.